Tini kasu kok tuma katal kasai paika. Guwahati Assam State or Katal Venture Company sangka jaka OTPC by APT CL ni kasaro. Joint venture agreement sign kala jaka Guwahati wo OTPC ni managing director Masang Sunil Sina Mudari Bandai APT DCL ni managing director Rakesh Kumar ni Bishingo. Borok saka Katal battery energy storage system project ni page borok Assam 2000 crore rang invest kala jaka. Tai o system di capacity in 200 megawatt ni 500 megawatt Bishingo. Borok tebu sakalai ka Katal project borok ni page balai khano kasha langsung mani samun tunai. Project ni bising tui borok rok na chubanai jepru state level high loads like power grid rok improve. Borok saka Katal battery energy storage system project implement khaina page borok utilize khaina solar energy no. OTPC ni managing director Masang Sunil Sina Mudari Bandai tebu saka project ni bising tui borok Assam ni future no tebu biskam khasingo kaham khai plan nai hinai. Pathadi ke borok sakalai ka jepru borok ni construction changnai apru borok direct indirect khai samun tangri chanai rok no kasha kaham opportunity renai.